the launch of what we're saying is an all-inclusive, future-ready, future-resilient education system that prepares these young men and women to be globally competitive. Thank you very much. If we've had... That is indeed the future, and it's not just a...
In our mind at Safaricom, we have a great vision that is a departure from just teaching and offering education as we know it, to co-creating a platform that enhances student skills aligned to Africa's industrialization and economic development across all levels of education. Our world today is increasingly driven by digital advancements, and the traditional classroom setting is evolving into something far more dynamic. Beyond supplementing education, it is about transforming it.
So over the next 5 years, we will invest many billions of shillings to improve education outcomes, starting with at least 500 schools over the next 5 years in 47 counties. And the citizens of the future will also provide infrastructure upgrades, digital upskilling for teachers and learners, and scholarships for youth in TVET institutions. We intend to cover at least 10,000 scholarships in the same period. We'll also provide scholarships to the TVET institutions because it's also about craft. And then for teachers, it's impacting about 10,000 teachers to make sure they have digital literacy skills